Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Dares Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious oven grilled snapper. So in my bowl here, I have 3 medium rare snappers which I'm going to grill. You can choose to use any fish of your choice as well. And here all my fish has been cleaned with some fresh lemon and also took the fins out and gutted it as well. You can also tell your fishmongers to clean your fish for you as well. So here I'm just having some deep cut through our fish to also infuse the flavors of our marinade in our fish. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. And please don't forget to comment down below for new recipes. Thank you. So here I'm seasoning my fish with some fresh lemon juice. If you don't have lemon, you can use lime as well. And make sure you rub all your lemon around your fish. Open it and put all your lemon juice in there. It helps to take the fishy smell as well. So I'm adding some salt and I'm using sea salt. You can choose to use any salt of your choice as well. Make sure you rub it around all your fish and put them in your deep cut as well. So you're going to leave it now for about 30 minutes before we add our marinade. Using my mortar. If you don't have that, you can use your blender. I added some ginger, some green chilies, some garlic, some red chilies as well, some peppercorns, some sea salt, and some basil, and you're going to grind everything together. So now this is how our ginger paste look like. You don't want it too smooth and you don't want it too coarse, so it's in between. So I added my grated onion as well, and I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, and I'm adding some allspice as well and some paprika as well. If you want it more spicy, you can add more chili as well. And I added some oil, and you're going to mix everything together for later. So at this stage, our fish has been marinating in our salt and lemon juice for about 30 minutes now. And now you're going to add our marinade. And make sure you add all your marinade in your deep cut, in the head of your fish, all around your fish, because you want to infuse all these flavors into our fish. And we are going to leave it for about 30 minutes before we put it in our grill. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So whilst our fish is marinating, we are going to prep our vegetables. Our knives and board has all been cleaned as well. And I'm using some white onion and some bell peppers. You can choose to use any vegetables of your choice as well. And please make sure you try this recipe out. I'm telling you, this fish is so flavorful and tasty. Imagine getting yourself some banku or kinge with this fish. I'm telling you, please make sure you press on that notification button. Thank you. So at this stage, make sure your oven is preheated, and mine is on 200 degrees, which is gas max 6. And we are going to cook our fish on 10 minutes on each side. And I added some oil to my tray, and I'm adding my vegetables now. And we are going to lay our fish on top of it to infuse our vegetables with our flavors. So now our fish has been cooking for about 10 minutes in our oven, and we are going to turn it over to cook on the other side. As you can see, this fish looks delicious and flavorful. We are going to add more marinade to our fish. We are going to put it in our oven to cook for extra 10 minutes, and it's almost done. And now our oven grilled fish is ready, so juicy and flavorful. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.